To set up voice chat in Marathon, first of all, you'll need to click on the gear icon to open the settings for the game. Next step is to enter the social, and then we'll be able to find the voice chat. Now we can adjust all of the settings, and first thing is the voice chat itself that you can enable or disable entirely. Then when it's on, you can adjust proximity voice chat as well, which works in proximity inside the game. Then we have crew chat voice input mode, and you can switch it to open mic. That way it will always record your sound from the mic. In push to talk, you will need to hold a button to start speaking, and in off it will entirely disable the crew chat. And the crew chat is basically a group chat that you have in game. Then there's the background noise suppression that you can disable or enable. That is it will try to suppress any sounds from your background. If somebody else is speaking in the background, then it will try to mute it. Then there's the positional crew chat, which means you'll be able to hear your crew members, group members from different directions. For example, if somebody's on your left and he starts speaking, then you will hear him in the left headphone. Then we have the inputs. There's the voice chat input device, which is the microphone, and then the output, which is the speaker or your headphones. So choose whichever device you want to use, and that way your voice chat will be set up. Last thing is the text to speak push to talk, sorry, not text to speak, push to talk option. So if you're wondering which button is corresponding for it, on keyboard and mouse it's T, and Y for the proximity chat. So if we scroll all the way down here, we can find the push to talk and proximity voice broadcast as well. You can do the same thing for the controller. If we scroll all the way down, we should be able to find it somewhere. Here it is. And that is